Hello, and welcome to the inaugural episode of Deep Learning Dispatch, your AI guide. We're here to make the intricate world of deep learning easy for everyone. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, deep learning is powering the future. But what exactly is it? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that's inspired by the workings of the human brain. It's all about creating and training neural networks. But what is a neural network? Picture it as a complex web of algorithms, working together to recognize patterns, make predictions, or make decisions. Just as our brain uses neurons to process information, neural networks use nodes. These nodes are arranged in layers: input, hidden, and output. Information enters via the input layer, gets processed in the hidden layers, and the final outcome is given by the output layer. The magic happens during training. The network learns by adjusting its parameters to reduce the error in its predictions over numerous iterations. With every training iteration, the neural network gets better, making more accurate predictions. Deep learning is all around us, influencing every sector from healthcare to entertainment. And we've only just begun to explore its potential. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Learning Dispatch, your AI guide. If you're curious to learn more, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for our next episode.